currently in Liberia. Tell us your name and what's your mission.
My name is Mitch Waite, and I'm with SABU. We are looking for children who are in need of education. We want to be able to provide opportunities for Liberian children to go to school.
Why did you decide to choose Liberia for this project?
I adopted two boys from Liberia. They were former refugee boys. Surprise is 13 years old and Thomas is 10 years old. My wife and I adopted them and we carried them to the United States. And when I got home from my trip in Liberia, I knew that I had to come back and do more.
While you are in Liberia, what are some of the things you are going to be doing?
Right now we're meeting with schools, we're meeting with orphanages, we're meeting with government officials to discover more about the need, but also to hear people's stories. We want to hear specifically about the suffering and the challenges that Liberians face, all Liberians face, so that we can take that information back to the United States and share it with the people of America and hopefully build more support to bring back to Liberia.
You drove from Monrovia, the capital city of Liberia. What did you observe?
The same thing that Liberians observe every day. I see hope. I see people that want a better life, but I also see tremendous challenges. There's very little infrastructure. There's very little jobs. And so there is crime and everything, poverty, everything associated with those issues. So that's what I want to help.